Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cooked beans. First, carefully sort through your dried beans to remove any small stones or debris, then give them a good rinse under cool water. Soaking your beans is a crucial step that significantly reduces their cooking time and helps achieve a more consistent, tender texture. For every 1 cup of dried beans, you'll want to use about 3 cups of water for soaking. There are a few effective ways to soak your beans. The most common is the overnight soak. Simply cover the beans with water and refrigerate them for at least 8 hours. For a quicker option, try the hot soak method. Bring the beans to a boil for 2 minutes, then remove from heat and let them soak for 1 hour. Alternatively, the quick soak involves boiling for 10 minutes, then soaking for 1 hour. Once your beans are properly soaked, it's time to cook them. First, drain and rinse the soaked beans thoroughly. Place them in a large pot and cover them with fresh water, ensuring the water level is about 2 inches above the beans. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook the beans until they are tender, which can take anywhere from 45 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the type. To enhance the flavor of your cooked beans, add salt and any desired seasonings during the last 15 to 20 minutes of cooking. Adding salt too early can sometimes toughen the bean skins. Once cooked, allow the beans to cool completely. You can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze them for up to 3 months for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.